Hello guys, welcome back to Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix path of exile, patch not downloading or stuck on checking resources error, or how we can completely fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one, when you're having this issue, what you have to do is just if you're on the Steam, the first thing which you have to try out is you just have to you just have to quit the game and you just have to do a restart, and most probably after trying out with restart the issue has to be fixed. And as you can see that here right now I'm not having path of exile, but for those who are having the path of exile, what you have to do is you just have to click on it, then you just have to go to properties. Now from here go for local files and go for view verify integrity of game file. This is very important, you just have to do this. So it will take some time, it depends on the game. If it is kind of big, it's going to take a little bit time. In the meantime you can minimize this, and also as you can see you will be having an option called browse, which will take you to where the game is installed. So you just have to click on this. So if you click on this is where the game is installed, as you can see. So as I said, I don't have the game, but I'm showing you with Halo Infinite. You don't have to get confused. So what you have to do is just have to right click on the game and go to properties. Over here you just have to click on properties. Now from here you just have to click on compatibility, and as you can see the compatibility mode is there. So you just have to click on this, run this program as compatibility mode, go for OK. Right, you just have to go for OK. In the same way, if you right click, you will be having an option called run as administrator. You can also go for that. This is what you have to do. After trying out with run as administrator and verifying the game files, if you're still having the issue, then it's all about the next thing which you have to try out is make sure that you're having a good internet connection. As you can see, I've connected to the Wi-Fi and I have to make sure that I'm having good internet connection, or else I'll be having the trouble. In the same way, sometimes the thing is also very important that you have to cross check your task manager. You just have to right click and move to task manager. From here you have to check which all big things are running in the background, and if it is running in the background, then most probably you have to end the task, which means the unwanted things you have to end the task, and most probably after that you have to see whether you're done with this one. So these are the basic things which you have to try out when it comes to how to fix path of exile, patch not downloading, stuck on checking resources, and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.